Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sammy, and today I am doing a very special video which I'm very excited about. If you're wondering what that background noise is, which is this fan over here, because I am hot. I just came back from school, and as you can see, I'm wearing uniforms, and I'm just gonna film this because I'm so excited. But let's get started. So I have this, which I've already scratched my abs out, so you guys won't be stalking me or anything. But I just want to give a shout out to Haley Hansley, and this is her YouTube channel, and this is her Instagram. I love her so much. Like, she has like an aesthetic theme in her channel, and I love it so much. Make sure to check her newest video out right here, and linked in the corner right here. But she's amazing. She did pay with her own money to send me all of these, and I'm just so thankful. This is the first giveaway that I've ever won. Make sure to check out that video. So yeah, I'm just so excited because I've never won a giveaway before. Excited because I don't know what's in there. Let's see if we have a note. Maybe not. Ooh, fancy. This is so fancy. I love her wrapping. I see my backpack already. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. So I won a backpack. But oh my gosh, I think everything is in there. But look at this. I want this. Thumbnail time. Wait, let me take out everything first. But oh my gosh, it's just like my future backpack, and I have been wanting this for so long. But you know how expensive this is? I'm not exactly sure about the price, but here's the price. Starting to rub. But later on when I was editing, I actually did ask Haley about the backpack and how much she got it for, and she told me that she bought it from eBay and it was on sale for $40, which was actually a good deal. Like, it was worth it. But I'm still thankful for you buying the backpack. So, but the original backpack is $80. Just want you guys to clear that, but she bought it for $40 when it was on sale, so that's a good deal, right? Yeah. Bye. Let's open this. I'm pretty sure this stuff is inside because she also has some other stuff. I'm excited for the scrunchie also. Ooh, I knew it. Oh, she wrote me a note. It says Sammy on it. Okay. So what I got is a card, of course, and next is a Target gift card. She said there is $15 on it, so I'm excited to use that on like swimsuits maybe. There's also these two masks and some scrunchies. Oh, I love these. I've been wanting scrunchies so bad, but now I have them because my favorite YouTuber gave them to me for a giveaway. Oh, fancy. Ooh, look at all these colors. I'm just wear all these on my hand. I'm not even joking. These are the coolest thing ever. They're so soft, and I think my favorite color is the gray and this purple. Okay, next, let's move on to the backpack because this is fancy. So there's one layer over here. Oh, there's also this big layer for the backpack. I mean, for the laptop, or a laptop. This is amazing, and you can carry it like this. Wonderful. Okay, now let's read her note because I've been waiting for this for the longest time ever. Okay. Sammy, thank you for entering my giveaway and congrats on winning. I hope you enjoyed these prizes and that they show my appreciation for your support. Good luck with your channel as well. Oh, thank you so much. I hope to see you make it big. With love, Haley. I love you so much. I truly love you, and you're the best. This is it. You can pause the video and read her, because like, look at her handwriting. Her writing is just tremendously amazing. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay. I'm keeping this forever. Thumbnail time. I think this is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I know I haven't posted a lot, but tomorrow is the last day of school. But when you guys are watching this, it's not the last day of school anymore. But I'll try to upload this video as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe to her channel, like I said, because it's freaking awesome, okay? And her video is just amazing. Like, I can't believe she's making all these videos when she's a freshman in college. That's freaking hard, because you gotta stay like active on YouTube and study at the same time. So I just love you so much. Bye.